Hello everyone, here is Vladimir. In this video I am going to show you how to install Node.js on your Mac or Windows operating system. I have right now the Mac operating system, so I will start my Google and I will say download Node.js. I will just go to the download. I will select Mac OS installer. I have 164 bits. It depends on your computer. If you have a Windows, you may choose between 32 and 64 bit. I download this. I will start it. Okay, allow, continue, agree, install. I will enter my credentials and that's it. Node.js is installed. I will start the terminal and yeah, here it is. This is how you can install Node.js on your Mac or on your Windows computer. Please like and comment, and if this is the first time that you are watching my video, don't forget to subscribe.